This man once single-handedly saved Bentley from going bankrupt. We often hear the sudden closure of big brands for various reasons, say bankruptcy, or not evolving with time, not bringing change in their business model. And revival from this is often seen as end of the brand. This is the story of Bentley. It was in the late 1990s when British automaker Bentley was struggling for its survival in the market. The automaker, which had been a symbol of British craftsmanship and luxury since 1919, was facing tough times. It was primarily due to declining sales, poor management and financial struggles of its parent company Rolls-Royce, which heavily impacted Bentley. After being bought by Volkswagen in 1998, Bentley's production was completely changed, but its future remained uncertain. Despite its celebrated past, the company was not ready for the new challenges that came with being under a large corporate organization. The changing landscape of the luxury car market, the complexities of integrating into a new corporate structure, and a decrease in demand for its high-end cars left Bentley with rising debts and a shrinking customer base. The company needed a lifeline. But everything collapsed in 2001, a dramatic turn of events captured Bentley that one would never predict. The British automaker, a synonym to luxury, was found at the edge of bankruptcy. Its factory, once buzzing with the buzz of production, faced the threat of shutting down. In all this drama, where no hopes of revival were seen for Bentley, this man entered the picture who single-handedly saved the company from bankruptcy. He was none other than the Sultan of Brunei, Hassan al-Bolkiah, a man known for his immense wealth and love for cars. The Sultan's fortune, which was estimated to be in billions, primarily came from Brunei's vast oil reserves. What truly set him apart from other royalty and billionaires was his passion for collecting cars. His car collection was considered as one of the world's largest and most extravagant in the world. His collection was reportedly to be somewhere around 7,000 vehicles, which included from the most classic models to the rarest custom-made designs. Among this vast collection, Bentley held a special place. During the 2001, when Bentley's financial troubles were public, the Sultan of Brunei was in the perfect position to intervene. He had already been a loyal customer of the brand, he had purchased numerous cars over the years. His localness and emotion towards the brand was quite evident when he came forward to buy a large number of Bentley cars, a move that would not only help save the company but also ensure the brand's survival during one of its darkest phases. The Sultan's this gesture was a lifeline for the Bentley. With his significant investment in the company, also purchasing a fleet of cars which were specially tailored to his unique taste. These weren't just regular Bentley cars, but they were specifically custom-made with unique features and luxury modifications that reflected the Sultan's extravagant style. Due to this, Bentley was provided with cash infusion which it desperately needed. It gave time to restructure and focus on rebuilding its brand and reputation. But Sultan's support went beyond the financial assist. According to reports, due to his deep love for luxury cars, he suggested unique designs for Bentley and also appreciating the craftsmanship which helped reignite the brand's commitment to producing unparalleled quality. Under his patronage, Bentley regained its position as one of the most respected names in the automotive world. In the years that followed, Bentley's fortunes slowly improved. With the Sultan's backing, the company was able to develop new models, including the Continental GT, which went on to become one of the brand's most iconic vehicles. The Continental GT, with its blend of performance and luxury, marked the beginning of Bentley's revival in automobile sector, and it was this car that helped restore the brand's image as a symbol of refined luxury. The Sultan's decision to save Bentley also had a broader impact on the luxury car market. It demonstrated that even in times of financial crisis, with the right support and commitment to quality, a brand could turn its fortunes around. The story of Bentley's recovery under the Sultan's patronage became a symbol of how passion, loyalty, and a love for craftsmanship could overcome challenges. To conclude, Sultan of Brunei's involvement in saving Bentley was a remarkable chapter in the history of the company. His investment and patronage not only saved the company from bankruptcy but also ensured that the legacy of Bentley would continue for future generations. Bentley's survival was a testament to the power of the Sultan's influence in the world of luxury, and his contribution to the brand solidified his place as one of the most important figures in the history of automotive luxury. Without his timely intervention, it's hard to imagine where Bentley would be today.